In a new movement, the Indian government recently banned 59 Chinese apps that posed a threat to the privacy of crores of Indian users. For years, security experts have been claiming about the immense privacy risk and cautioning users not to use these Chinese apps. Both Google and Apple have already complied with the orders and have removed the apps from their respective app marketplace. So, if you are looking for an alternative to the banned Chinese apps, then let's hop in. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Extent Infosoft. Number 1. ShareChat or Trailer for TikTok. ShareChat is an Indian video creation app similar to short video making app TikTok. The app allows users to communicate and interact with other users on the platform. Among the many issues with TikTok, privacy has been a major concern for many years. Just recently, 4 US senators urged the FTC to investigate TikTok because it apparently failed to take down videos made by children under the age of 13, which is a violation of their 2019 agreement. Apart from that, many users are suspicious of apps that are based out of China because of obvious privacy reasons. TikTok, which is owned by ByteDance, a Beijing-based company, has been accused of sharing user data with China. Experts are particularly alarmed by China's national intelligence law that mandates companies to comply with intelligence gathering operations if and when asked by the Chinese government. Talking about apps like Likee and Y, both of the apps have Chinese roots and are known for hosting inappropriate content on their platform. ShareChat currently serves more than 60 million monthly active users in 15 different Indian languages. Number 2. Google Files for ShareIt. Chinese app ShareIt is a popular offline file sharing app available on the Play Store with over 1 billion downloads. It is developed in China and is full of annoying ads. However, one can switch to Files by Google Files for similar usage. Files by Google is a multi-purpose app ready to share anything ranging from apps, videos, images, audio and more without the internet. Number 3. Geo Browser or Chrome browser for UC Browser. Geo Browser is a web-based browser developed by mobile internet company Jio, which helps surf the internet feature as faster as never before. Respects the user's privacy and it is a lightweight web browser. It can easily replace China-based UC Browser. Same goes with the Chrome. Number 4. Selfie camera to Beauty Plus. Indian selfie camera is a make in India alternative to Beauty Plus. It can make your selfie and photo more beautiful with filters as well as effects. Number 5. Adobe Scan for Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner is a document scanning app developed by Intsig, a Chinese company based in Shanghai. Meanwhile, Adobe Scan offers better features to Cam Scanner and has been developed by Mountain View, California-based company. Number 6. Norton AppLock, which is an alternative to AppLock and DU Privacy. AppLock is another Chinese app for locking apps behind a PIN, password or fingerprint. It's run by Do Mobile and registered in Hong Kong, outside of mainland China. However, we can't rule out privacy implications as its privacy policy states that according to the needs of specific features, we may read and probably not save your photos, media and files use the mobile camera and microphone. You are basically allowing the app to read your internal storage and have access to the camera and microphone. So, if you want a secure alternative to AppLock, then I would highly recommend Norton AppLock. It has been developed by the popular antivirus provider Norton Labs, which is run by Symantec, headquartered in Arizona, US. Similar to AppLock, you can set PIN, password or fingerprint to lock your apps. However, the best part about Norton AppLock is that unlike AppLock, it's ad-free and offers a clean experience. Number 7. Hola for VMate alternative. Among the 59 Chinese apps which was banned by the Indian government, VMate is one. It's a popular social video app that allows users to video call with strangers. It sounds like a weird idea, but it was quite popular among its users. Having said that, the app is no longer available in India, so you are better off looking for a replacement. I would recommend you Hola, which is a random video chatting app and it's based out of the US. The app has some unique features similar to VMate. You can start with an audio call for 30 seconds and for that period you will be completely anonymous. Past that, the video feed will be enabled for both participants. You can choose the gender of your choice, provide interests and preferences for better matching, and play games with strangers. The best part is that you can even chat in foreign language with its real-time translation. To conclude, Hola is a fun social video app and you can use it in place of VMate. Number 8. Keep safe. Vault hide alternative. We all have private photos and videos, and something hiding them behind an app lock password is not enough. Sometimes we need to remove them from our regular library and save them in a vault. Vault hide is an app that lets you do that. However, in a new advisory by Indian intelligence agencies, Vault hide is among the 52 apps that are red flagged for privacy concerns. You don't want a Chinese app to have access to your private photos. This is more problematic than other apps as we usually use it to save our most private memories. If you don't want your private data to be snooped upon, you should switch Vault hide to KeepSafe. KeepSafe uses Cipher AES 256 encryption, considered among the most secure in the world. It offers the same security as offered by banking apps. You get military-grade encryption, encrypted backups, and your data is inaccessible even by KeepSafe employees. The company is based in the USA, so you get all the data protection offered by the country's law. KeepSafe is used by more than 75 million users and has one of the highest ratings on both the App Store and Play Store. It's the perfect Chinese app alternative to replace Vault hide. Number 9. Greenify, DU battery saver alternative. DU battery saver has been a serial offender when it comes to privacy. No app that claims to boost your battery can do so by cleaning RAM or clearing apps. If you clean your app more often, it's going to decrease your battery life because relaunching apps consume more battery. The only type of that can improve battery life are the ones that take advantage of Android system level and stop apps from working in the background. One of the best apps that do this is Greenify. Most apps that claim to be virus cleaner on Android and iOS devices are just a place to serve you ads and acquire your data to sell it. Greenify go to maximize the battery life of your smartphone. It automatically identifies the apps that are misbehaving and consuming the most power and puts them in hibernation when you are not using them. And now the app works without root permissions, which is great. If there were already not enough reasons for not using DU battery saver, the fact that it features in the list of top 52 apps that pose a national security threat has put it over the line. Uninstall the app right now and use Greenify if you want to improve the battery life of your smartphone. Number 10. Myntra, alternative to Club Factory. Club Factory features in the National Security Threat List released by Indian intelligence agencies. If you are using them to buy clothes, you should stop doing that, at least until the security issues are resolved. I suggest Myntra as it has a large collection of merchandise and offers heavy discounts. Number 11. Microsoft Office, WPS Office alternative. WPS Office has not been banned by the Indian government, but for the record, you should know that it's a Chinese app and developed by Kingsoft, a Beijing-based company. You would be in for a surprise when you find out that Cheetah Mobile, developer of several dodgy Android apps which led to its removal from Play Store, is a subsidiary of Kingsoft. Not to mention, ads are a major problem on WPS Office. So any user who values privacy or wants a good office experience should not use WPS Office. You have a number of other Office suite apps that offer a similar level of compatibility with various file formats. Among them, Microsoft Office is my personal favorite, and it's a perfect alternative to WPS Office. It's a one-stop app for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, and more. You don't need to install individual apps. Other than that, it's completely free and there are no ads whatsoever, which makes it even a better for WPS replacement. All in all, Microsoft Office is a powerful office suite and it's a feature-rich as WPS Office. Number 12. Screen Recorder No Ads, DU Recorder alternative. DU Recorder is one of the 59 Chinese apps that has been banned by the Indian government. It was popular for sharp screen recording, live streaming integration, video editing tools, and more. However, just like other Chinese apps, it was marred by too many ads which made the experience from bad to worse. So if you are looking for the best DU Recorder alternative, then I would recommend Screen Recorder No Ads. As the name suggests, it's truly a clean app without any bloatware, ads, or unnecessary features. You can select your preferred resolution, draw on the video, trim clips, pause the recording, and do much more fun. For me, the best part about Screen Recorder No Ads is that it can even record the internal audio, which is generally not found on many screen recording apps. In fact, it was the first app to bring this feature on Android 10. Number 13. SDMade, Clean Master and DU Cleaner alternative. Clean Master is one of those Cheetah mobile apps that was earlier thrown out of the Play Store, and now the Indian government has officially banned the app in the country. If you are still using the Chinese app, then I would strongly recommend you move to SDMade. It's a complete system cleaning tool that allows you to deep scan your internal storage and SD card. After that, you can delete unnecessary files and folders in just one tap. You can also remove both system and user installed apps seamlessly. What I like about SDMade is that there are no ads, not even small banners, unlike CleanMaster, which was essentially adware. Moving further, SDMade brings Corpse Finder that safely cleans up files and folders of apps that are no longer installed. Along with that, you can also find duplicate files and remove them altogether. Sure, SDMate does not have a process killer like CleanMaster, but that is a good thing. The way modern Android works now, you should actually not kill background process. It does more harm than good. So overall, SDMate is a reliable alternative to CleanMaster and you should definitely give it a try. Number 14. Microsoft Outlook Mailmaster Alternative. Mailmaster has also been banned by the Indian government for its Chinese roots and having a sketchy privacy policy. It was an email app that support for multiple services like Gmail, Yahoo, and more. Now with the app gone, you can use Microsoft Outlook as a suitable Mailmaster alternative. Microsoft Outlook not only supports its in-house email service Outlook, but also works with Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and other POP, IMAP, SMTP email configurations. And the best part about Outlook is that it connects your calendar too, no matter which service you are using. Apart from that, Microsoft Outlook has an intelligent algorithm that creates automated reminders for future tasks. The UI of Outlook is near perfect as Microsoft has been redesigning all its smartphone apps based on Fluent design. You have got dark mode, swipeable functions, deep integrations with Microsoft Office, and more. Overall, Outlook is a perfect alternative to not just Mailmaster but for any email app. Number 15. Google Duo MI Video Call Alternative. While MI Video Call is not operational in India, the government has still banned the app. It seems many were sideloading the MI Video Call APK from other forums. Anyway, if you are using the MI Video Call app, then you should move to secure video calling to protect your privacy. In this regard, Google Duo is one of the best apps for video calling and a compelling alternative to MI Video Call. Duo is end-to-end encrypted so no one can access your video feed or know who you are calling to. Apart from that, now Duo supports up to 32 users in a group video call, which is amazing. Having said that, MI Video Call is particularly popular for remote access while video calling. This feature is not available on Duo or any other video calling app. If you intended to use this feature, then you can very well download TeamViewer, free version, which also allows you to control smartphones of other users. But as far as video calling is concerned, Duo is simply the best solution. Those are the alternatives that we recommend in place of these Chinese apps. During the video, we can notice that many Chinese apps have underlying security and privacy issues that are never fixed, intentionally or otherwise. So, if you want to securely use your smartphone, you can utilize the Chinese apps alternatives that we have mentioned in this video. Anyway, that is all from us. If you found the video informative, then please give a like and share it with others too. And if you have not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel Extent Infosoft and hit the bell icon. If you want to suggest some topic which should be discussed here, then let me know in comments. Thank you everyone. Keep watching, keep learning.